Art. Paintings are one of those visual forms, meaning it is meant to be seen with the human eye. From ancient Egyptian art to now, we can appreciate a painting by looking at it. What if I told you there was a type of painting that was meant to be seen by the mind? Seems a bit out of the ordinary, yes? Allow me to introduce to you now a painting style hailing all the way from ancient Asia. SHAN SHUI. SHAN SHUI depicts scenery or landscapes using brush and ink. These landscape paintings are imaginary and idealized. They do not represent an image seen in nature. Instead, the composition of elements all come together for the mind to wander about. The Chinese called this Wayu to capture the idea of mind playing and frolicking about inside the painting. To encourage traveling within the landscape, SHAN SHUI uses multiple perspectives. To view it from a distance looking towards the center. To view it from high above looking down like a bird flying above the scene. To view it from the bottom looking up towards the top of the mountain. The journey does not end there though. Once the brush is set aside, the painting is attached to a silk scroll, rolled up for portability. The next leg of this adventure is shared amongst close friends where the finishing touches, and balance is attained through poetry, calligraphy, and stamps. Such a refined highbrow art meetup. Now let's paint our own valuable SHAN SHUI painting to share with our friends.
Let's make a run together, I'll be by your side before we collide. And if the sky falls down on you, just beat it up before we collide. Let's make it last forever, I'm ready to fly before we collide. And when the sun don't shine on you, just heat it up before we collide. Let's make a run together, I'll be by your side before we collide. And if the sky falls down on you, just beat it up before we collide. Let's make it last forever, I'm ready to fly before we collide. And when the sun don't shine on you, just heat it up before we collide. from all things at once without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Bruises, they come and they go, and we have to try and keep up, 'cause this life's so much more. Come seek me out.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.